How good is the tracking of the Neo 2 compared to the Neo 1 in rather complex environment?
That was weird. You are a naughty one.
I just ran across some footage that I recorded a while back when I received the original DJI Neo 2. And I did this test in my father's apple plantation when it was during the fall, so the leaves were not there. So there was a lot of obstacles that these drones had to dodge. And if you remember the original DJI Neo, that had no obstacle avoidance. It only had like an algorithm built in, so whatever it sees through the camera, it's trying to compensate for that. Where the Neo 2 is equipped with a LiDAR sensor and all that stuff. So I thought at that time it would be a pretty fun experiment to put these drones head to head to follow me through this complex environment. And that gave some pretty funny situations, or at least some unexpected situations. It seems they are not best friends, as they're trying to knock each other out of the sky. This video is also showing you a rather complex recording process that I sometimes do when I record this video, because I'm managing an audio track, an Osmo Action 4 track, a Nano video and audio track, as well as footage from both of the drones. And I'm trying to synchronize all these tracks together when producing a video like this. It takes a lot of fiddling in post-production because the original drone videos, they don't contain audio. I know you can record audio by using the cell phone on some of the Neo drones, but I didn't do that in this case. So, so without further ado, let's hand it over to Mr. Olsen testing the tracking capabilities of the Neo and the Neo 2.
So.
Right, follow, 3, 2, 1.
You already know now that this is bound to go wrong, yeah? Yeah. You're very eager. Like small eager puppets. So, let's just bring... Oh, I'm missing something. Yeah. So, otherwise I can't synchronize the audio. So, let's just go over here, see what's... Whoop. That sounds like a crash. See if it... Ah! Oh! I crashed! Let's see if I can. Wow! Okay. So that was the first crash. And I was pretty horrible at taking it down. Maybe that's not a fair test because they were fighting for the same airspace. So that was kind of difficult. So let's just try and do it here in the open. But maybe I can just make them track me and we can go down this path instead. Then I will put the other one over here. So it's...
Clear right, follow, 3, 2, 1.
So I put that one a little bit over there, so they are not, slamming into each other. Hopefully not. So we just go down here this time. Hey, I don't like those sounds. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Hey, hey. This is not really not a good idea. One is pissed on the other one. I mean, yeah, okay. Let's just see what happens here. I just need to reset my pants here. Oh, we lost the other one. But that's kind of fair that we lost it. So can you see me? Hello. So, okay, so this test is not really fair, but let's just, yeah, why not? Somebody's got to do it, and somebody's got to be me.
Rear right. Follow.
Now I think what I will do now is I will give it a fair advantage here.
Medium.
I will let this one, go a little bit further back.
Right. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So now that is different conditions. I think it will work better this time. So, that was a little bit more fair. That was weird. You are a naughty one. You knocked my new friend out of the sky. Oh,
Fly in well lit. Textured
Oh.
environments.
naughty drone. At least that's the advantage of playing with these drones, is that they are pretty solid. So it takes a lot of beating, especially if you are in an area like this with a soft ground and you're not flying very fast. It's fairly easy to it's fairly easy to mess around with these.
So how about that test? That was pretty funny. I do want to, rewatching the footage, I can see it was actually not in the final scene. It was, it was actually the Neo 2 that tried to collide with the Neo 1. And that backfired, so the Neo 2 would have to go down and land. That's what happens if it meets an obstacle in air and it collides with something, the drone is actually landing. So this is the effect of this. So I made the wrong conclusion there, saying that the Neo 1 was the naughty one. It actually wasn't. It was the Neo 2 that was the sneaky bastard that tried to take the Neo 1 out of the air. So, what do you think about experiments like that? Do you like them? Then let me know in the comments below, because I really enjoy making them. So if you want to see more of that, then let me know in the comments. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.